Okay, so I had got this wig, right? I'm not gonna say the company name because I don't know. I'm not that type of person to like bash a company on social media or anything. And because I had got a wig from them before and the wig was great. I don't know. I'm not trying to bash them, but if you don't want to get a wig from them after what I tell y'all, DM me on Instagram and I'm gonna tell y'all on Instagram. But basically, I had got me a 5x5 20-inch. I was gonna do a middle. I'm still gonna do it, but this wig, I don't know. I wanted to do a middle part crimped. So I had got me a 5x5 because I was tired of the whole 13x6 or whatever. But they talking about this is a 5x5. This, I don't know if you guys can really see. This don't look like no 5x5 to me. Then it feels synthetic mixed with human. They talking about, oh no, this is 100% human. This wig I got on my head, I had this wig for a couple of months. This wig feels way better than this. And they gonna talk about this is 20-inch. This don't give 20-inch. Like, and they be trying to measure from the top all the way to the bottom. Like, this just don't give 20-inch. My mother talking about if my mother's talking about it looks like one of them wigs old people be wearing, and I'm so mad. They gonna give me my money back though, but they said I could keep the wig. I'm not afraid to say I get my wigs from AliExpress. These wig companies don't want you to report them to AliExpress. So what they do is they be like, you can keep the wig, I'll give you your money back, keep the wig. Can you just write a good report? No, I'm not writing a good report. Give me my money before I tell AliExpress y'all know some BS, because what is this? So yeah, process to get my money. I'm keeping this wig. I don't care. So yeah, this is the wig that I'm going to install. I'm about to go bleach it, so that won't take too long. But now I gotta go get me another wig because I don't know what this is. Also, let me know in the comments down any good wig companies that's not from AliExpress. I've been seeing Amazon has some good wigs. I might have to check them out. So just let me know where I can go to get some good wigs, because this is like black. This is brown. This is like, oh my god, the more I look at this wig, the more I get irritated.
So I noticed this little bump when I was trying to flat iron it. It's like they sewed the track upside down and it's so hard to keep it flat.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
Now this is me trying to flatten the bump and it's so hard. Like, even the flat iron couldn't help. Also, this company cannot sit there and tell me this is 210 density. I done had wigs that was 150, 180 and look fuller than this.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Okay, so bleaching this wig took forever. I'm not even gonna lie. It took me like 20 to 30 minutes to bleach it, and the wig still have knots, but in the video you can't really see it.
Isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby. You need it, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good.
This is like my third to fourth time trying to flat iron this wig so it could be flat, and it's like it still just have this little bump. Like, it's just like still bumpy. Like, I don't know, it's just hard to keep this wig flat. I had to tie it real tight just so it could be flat, and it did help, but it still to me has like a little bump, but it's not as bad. So here I'm trying to fluffen up the wig just so I could try to love it, and it's like I can't. If a wig was fuller, then yes, I would, but it's just so thin. Okay, so overall I have to give this wig a 6. Now the reason why I have to give it a 6, 1, because of the bump that's up top. It's so hard to flat iron. 2, because this is supposed to be 210 density, but it looks like it only has 1 bundle of tracks in it. 3, this is the most annoyingest part. It took 30 minutes for me to bleach these knots just for me to still see knots in it. Now on camera, and I ain't gonna lie, in person you can't really see the knots, but I feel like if I take it off you can see it, but from far away you can't. So yeah, this wig is a 6. This is definitely just a throw-on wig. In the comments, let me know any good wig companies. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.